Hi there, students. Unceremoniously, an adverb. I want to focus on the adverb because it's the most commonly used of this set. You could have unceremonious, an adjective, or a ceremony. So I'm sure you all know the word a ceremony. This is a formal act, very often performed on social or religious occasions. But unceremonious without ceremony. Unceremoniously in a way that is without ceremony. But we use this word unceremoniously, euphemistically, to say rudely, without due ceremony, abrupt, without the formalities or politeness that is normally expected. So we're using this unceremoniously, this adverb, to say rudely. So he was unceremoniously sacked from his job, and the security guards came and accompanied him out of the building. Okay, so they sacked him in a very rude way that was embarrassing, yeah, without the normal ceremony you might find. The delivery driver had problems with the person receiving the packet, and he unceremoniously dumped the package in the person's garden. So rudely, abruptly. The bouncers unceremoniously kicked me out of the nightclub. Yeah, they weren't polite about it. They just hustled me out of the club. And this is the idea of unceremoniously. He departed unceremoniously. Yeah, there was a cloud over him, maybe. So he didn't do it in the normal way where everyone said, bye bye, nice to see you again soon. No, he just left. So if something is done unceremoniously, it's done suddenly or without being polite. He was unceremonious. His name was unceremoniously removed from the list. He was struck off. Yeah, he was unceremoniously thrown out of the building. They bundled him out. The child did not want to eat the food, but was ordered to do so. So he ate it with very little enthusiasm and rather unceremoniously, yeah, in a bad temper. Yeah, so if something's done unceremoniously, there's a bit of an argument going on. Yeah, the situation was unceremoniously handled by the police. Yeah, they were very abrupt, they were very sudden, they weren't polite. There's maybe a bit of manhandling going on as well. Yeah, I got drunk and then unceremoniously vomited everywhere. Yeah, suddenly, embarrassingly, without due decorum, and that's the idea of unceremoniously. My clothes were covered in the spray from the skunk. So I had to take them off, and I unceremoniously walked home in a pair of pajamas that somebody had lent me. Yeah, without decorum, without the social niceties that normally accompany something. And here the ceremony are being polite and courteous socially, unceremoniously, without all that, just bam. Yeah. And that's the idea of it. the Prime Minister was unceremoniously ordered to shut up. Yeah? Please, would you be quiet? No, just shut up, would you? That's unceremoniously. Yeah? Okay, without the due formalities. And that's how we use unceremoniously. Okay, so what about origin? Well, I think this word unceremonious, ceremony, comes from the Latin word so ceremonia, yeah, which is a ceremony or a ritual. Okay. Now, unceremoniously, how formal is this word? I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use this anywhere. Yeah, use it as a synonym of rudely. Okay, so it's a good word to use because you don't have formality problems with it. So there you go. I think I'm going to unceremoniously, well, maybe ceremoniously, end this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Unceremoniously.